Well, I have to say we've been overwhelmed by texts coming in from listeners, but I don't want to read them all out because, my late father used to quote the proverb, self-praise is no praise. But on the other hand, he used to also say, if you want to be a somebody, you got to bang, bang, bang on the drum. A bit confusing for a young lad, but I'll read one just to let you know how much I understand the impact that this programme can have. This one comes from someone who arrived here in Dublin 20 years ago. When I came here, I didn't know much about Ireland and Irish. My presumption was all Irish people do is play football and go to the pub every weekend and, of course, sing beautifully. Little I knew before I started to listen to Pat Kenny's Newstalk morning show. I got to learn not only about Irish people's culture, but so many things across the world. Listening to his programme, it changed my assumptions about Irish in whole. So thank you, Mr. Kenny. Your show will be missed so much. The time has come to thank a few people. I want to say thanks to everybody who's worked on this show over the years, and there have been many in the last 12 and a half years. My founding editor, Emer Bradley, who is a rock of sense. And when I might be running off a bit, she would steady the ship beautifully for me. Cormac McDonough, who has been my sound operator for 12 and a half years, he's been there, and he's still here, and he'll probably be here next week doing the same job, but for somebody else. And he's been fantastic. He has the dump button in case I say something I shouldn't say. And in fairness, he's never had to use it in 12 and a half years. But that finger is always poised over the button. Anne-Marie Kane is our broadcast assistant, who was there from the very beginning as well. A monument to changing hairstyles, I have to say. And also, she is our podcast maestro, so thanks to her. My senior producer is Claire Darmody, and her energy and her general good cheer, her recommendations as to what I should be watching on television or what I should be reading have been valueless, but she makes coming into work every day an absolute joy. Our most recent producer is Niamh Dunn, who came relatively recently to the show, but she came from a standing start to being at full speed in jig time. So great thanks to Niamh. And our researcher, Cian Burns, a revelation in terms of the scope of his talents and his abilities. They're the current crop. My thanks especially to all of them, but going back over the years to reporters and producers and researchers who have worked on the show, I have to say to one and all, thank you very much. And of course, most of all, to you, the listeners, for moving the dial 12 and a half years ago and staying with us.